8-foot Hatteras Motor Yacht. Pulling it out to have some annual service work done. You can see the bottom paint needs to be repainted already. The travel lift is a 75-ton travel lift using 4 straps for the bigger, longer, heavier boat. As soon as they get it high enough, they'll bring it out to my left and they'll scrape and pressure wash it, and then we'll take it and put it in the boat yard so we can do all of our service. We're expecting to be here in the neighborhood of 2 to 3 weeks. You can see the other boats in the yard on tripod stands, different levels of service being performed. You can hear the beeper. The travel lift is moving. Yeah, you're doing the bottom. Linda's in charge of that. I don't know who. We had to hire a diver to clean the propellers last Saturday before we brought it over. So they're pretty clean as far as no barnacles on them. Also like to make note of how small that rudder is. Fast boats have small rudders. Rudders not only steer the boat, but they also create drag. So you can see some of the water-cooled exhaust. Some more of the water's coming out of the exhaust pipes. And now they'll start the pressure washing and the scraping. Want to learn more about surveys and sea trials and boatyard maintenance? Ask Captain Chris.